Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure inventory control with TradeGecko, full guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your TradeGecko account. Once logged in, navigate to the inventory section on the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your current inventory levels. Next, click on products to access a detailed list of your items. To add a new product, click the Add Product button located in the top right corner. Fill in the required fields, including product name, SKU, and description. Set the inventory level for the new product to ensure accurate stock counts. Now, move to the Stock tab to manage stock locations effectively. Add warehouse locations where your inventory will be stored. For each location, establish stock levels and reorder points to maintain optimal inventory. To secure inventory control, ensure that all items have proper barcodes. This will help streamline the tracking and management of your products. Next, implement user permissions by navigating to the Settings section. Set unique roles for your team members to protect sensitive inventory data. Regularly run inventory reports to track stock level. To generate a report, go to the Reports tab and select the Inventory Report option. Customizing the report can help you focus on specific products or categories. Once reports are generated, analyze the data for trends and stock levels. After reviewing, take action on any discrepancies, such as restocking or clearance. Finally, regularly update your inventory policies to reflect any changes in your business model. This will ensure that your inventory control remains effective. By following these steps, you will have a secure inventory control system using TradeGecko. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.